afternoon the light comes low, painting rooftops in a golden glow. Boats at anchor, not a sound, Eden's breathing soft and slow. Gum trees swaying up on the hill, seas a mirror, the air is still. No cars, no calls, no signs of rush, just the world before the hush is crushed. Still before the tide rolls in, still before the crowd begins, just me and the sea and the fading light. This town glows in the edge of night. Oh, still before the tide, still before the tide. Still before the tide. Cannery Wharf, wrapped in peace, even the pelicans pause to breathe. Ocean pool carved in time and stone, a quiet place that feels like home. Way off north, a hint of haze, smoke riding light across the bays. But it don't reach us here below, where everything feels dipped in gold. Still before the tide rolls in, still before the Easter wind, just the gulls and the breeze and the painted sky, just Eden humming her lullaby. Oh, still before the tide, still before the tide. Come, the vans, the cars, laughter pouring from holiday stars. But tonight it's mine, this pause, this grace, the calm before the warm embrace. Still before the tide rolls in, still before the crowd begins, hearts wide open, doors still closed, a coastal town in a sacred hole. Oh, still before the tide, still before the tide.